The 21st century has witnessed the rise of a new kind of intelligence: machine learning. Machines can now analyze vast data sets, identify patterns, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. This transformative technology is rapidly reshaping industries, from healthcare to finance, retail to transportation. Machine learning algorithms are already powering medical diagnoses, financial trading, personalized shopping experiences, and self-driving cars. As machine learning continues to evolve, its impact on our lives will only grow more profound. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era, an era where intelligent machines play an increasingly central role. From revolutionizing healthcare to transforming transportation, machine learning is poised to redefine the boundaries of human ingenuity. The future is here, and it is powered by algorithms that learn and evolve, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Machine learning is revolutionizing healthcare, offering unprecedented opportunities to diagnose diseases earlier, develop personalized treatments, and enhance patient care. Algorithms can now analyze medical images such as X-rays and MRIs with greater accuracy than human radiologists, often detecting anomalies that might otherwise be missed. Beyond diagnostics, machine learning is also transforming drug discovery and development. By analyzing vast data sets of molecular structures and patient information, algorithms can identify promising drug candidates and predict their efficacy and potential side effects. Moreover, machine learning enables personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors. However, this technological revolution also raises critical ethical considerations that must be carefully addressed. Ensuring data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and equitable access to these advancements becomes paramount. The financial industry, built on analyzing data and identifying patterns, has embraced machine learning as a transformative force. Algorithms now power a wide range of financial applications, from fraud detection and risk assessment to algorithmic trading and personalized financial advice. Machine learning models can analyze vast datasets of transactions, market trends, and economic indicators to identify anomalies that might signal fraudulent activity. Furthermore, machine learning is transforming investment strategies. Algorithmic trading systems use complex algorithms to analyze market data and execute trades at speeds and scales impossible for human traders. Machine learning is also personalizing financial advice, making it more accessible and tailored to individual needs. Robo-advisors powered by AI algorithms provide automated investment advice based on an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. However, it is crucial to ensure that these algorithms are transparent and unbiased in their recommendations. The future of finance is inextricably linked to the evolution of machine learning. The retail industry is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the rise of e-commerce and the pervasive influence of machine learning. From personalized product recommendations to cashierless stores, AI is reshaping how we shop and interact with brands. E-commerce platforms use recommendation engines powered by AI algorithms to suggest products to customers based on their browsing history, past purchases, and preferences. Beyond personalization, machine learning is also optimizing inventory management, supply chain logistics, and customer service in the retail industry. AI-powered systems can analyze sales data, predict demand fluctuations, and optimize inventory levels, reducing waste and ensuring that products are available when and where customers want them. However, the increasing reliance on AI in retail also raises concerns about data privacy and the potential for discriminatory practices. The automotive industry stands on the cusp of a revolution, driven by the relentless march of artificial intelligence. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic fantasy, are now a tangible reality, poised to transform transportation as we know it. At the heart of this revolution lies machine learning, the technology that empowers cars to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate complex environments without human intervention. Self-driving cars rely on a complex interplay of sensors, cameras, and algorithms to perceive the world around them. The algorithms learn from millions of miles of driving data, constantly improving their ability to navigate complex scenarios and make split-second decisions. However, the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles still faces significant challenges, including technical hurdles, regulatory frameworks, and public acceptance. Nevertheless, the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles are immense, promising to reduce traffic accidents, improve traffic flow, and increase mobility. As we have seen, machine learning is poised to revolutionize industries, transform our lives, and reshape the world as we know it. The potential benefits of this technology are undeniable, offering solutions to some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. However, this transformative technology also presents profound risks and challenges that must be carefully considered and addressed. The increasing reliance on algorithms to make decisions that affect our lives raises concerns about bias, transparency, and accountability. If not developed and deployed responsibly, machine learning algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify existing social inequalities. Moreover, the increasing automation of tasks has the potential to displace workers from their jobs, leading to widespread unemployment and social unrest. By embracing a human-centered approach to AI development, we can harness the transformative power of machine learning while mitigating its risks. The rapid advancement of machine learning presents a myriad of ethical considerations that demand careful attention. As algorithms become increasingly sophisticated and integrated into our lives, it is imperative to ensure that these technologies are developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the potential for bias in machine learning algorithms. Algorithms are trained on data, and if this data reflects existing societal biases, the resulting algorithms will inherit and perpetuate those biases. Addressing algorithmic bias requires a multifaceted approach, including ensuring diversity in training datasets, developing techniques to detect and mitigate bias, and establishing clear accountability mechanisms. Another critical ethical consideration is the issue of transparency and explainability. As machine learning models become more complex, it becomes increasingly difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. Ensuring transparency in machine learning requires developing techniques to make these complex models more interpretable and explainable. The increasing pervasiveness of algorithms in our lives raises concerns about the potential for exacerbating existing social and economic inequalities. The algorithmic divide refers to the gap between those who benefit from the advancements in artificial intelligence and those who are left behind, or worse yet, disadvantaged by these technologies. One of the primary drivers of the algorithmic divide is the issue of bias in AI systems. As discussed earlier, algorithms trained on biased data will inevitably inherit and perpetuate those biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Addressing the algorithmic divide requires a concerted effort to ensure fairness and equity in the development and deployment of AI systems. This includes promoting diversity in the tech industry to ensure that the individuals creating these technologies reflect the diversity of the population they are intended to serve. Education and awareness are also vital in bridging the algorithmic divide. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation is transforming the nature of work, displacing some jobs while creating new opportunities in others. One of the most significant impacts of AI on the workforce is the automation of routine and repetitive tasks. Tasks that can be easily codified and performed by machines, such as data entry, assembly line work, and customer service inquiries, are increasingly being automated. However, while AI may eliminate certain job categories, it also creates new opportunities in fields such as AI development, data science, and AI-related services. The key to thriving in an AI-driven job market is adaptability and a willingness to embrace lifelong learning. Governments and educational institutions have a crucial role to play in preparing the workforce for the future of work. Investing in education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed for AI-related jobs is essential. The future of work in an AI-driven world will be characterized by collaboration between humans and machines. The field of machine learning is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and advancements emerging at an astonishing pace. One area of intense research and development is the quest for artificial general intelligence, AGI, a type of AI that possesses human-like cognitive abilities. Another exciting frontier in machine learning is the development of explainable AI, XAI. As AI systems become more complex and opaque, understanding how they arrive at their decisions is crucial for building trust and ensuring responsible use. The convergence of machine learning with other transformative technologies, such as quantum computing and biotechnology, is poised to unlock unprecedented capabilities. The next frontier of machine learning is filled with both promise and uncertainty. Machine learning is not merely a technological advancement, it is a transformative force that is reshaping our world in profound ways. From healthcare to finance, retail to transportation, AI is revolutionizing industries, automating tasks, and augmenting human capabilities. The potential benefits of machine learning are immense, offering solutions to some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. However, this technological revolution also presents significant risks and challenges that must be carefully considered and addressed. Addressing algorithmic bias, promoting transparency and explainability, and ensuring equitable access to the benefits of AI are crucial for harnessing this technology for the betterment of society. The machine learning revolution is upon us, and it is our responsibility to guide its trajectory, ensuring that it leads to a future where technology empowers us, enhances our lives, and creates a more just and equitable world for all.